Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yvette Qualley with Yvette's Junk Journal Shop on Ko-fi. Today's video I am going to do something a little different. I have, as you can see here in my box, I have a Your Creative Studio monthly subscription box here, and I'm going to do an unboxing today of what's in here. So I have not looked in here. This will be all on camera. So I was sent this subscription box to reveal on my channel, and then I'm going to use the items in here in a future project. So today we're just looking at what I got in the box, and then you'll be sure to join me in the future for my follow-up video where I use these items. So I will put a link in the description box to this kit if you're interested in purchasing this. So I have never used Your Creative Studio products before, so I thought this would be a fun way to try it out. So I have here some little stickers. They look like stamp stickers, and some floral illustration. Looks like some tickets. Those will be fun to play with. And here I have a little box that looks like of labels. So I'm going to try those on a project. Some tiny little stickers. Looks like a napkin. Oh, masking tape it says. Okay, so that must be a big piece of washi tape. And this one too. Let's take a look inside here. Sorry about the noise here of opening the bags, but like I said, I have not looked in here, so it's all a surprise to me what's in here. So here's some like marbled washi tape. Plant specimen cards, some more stamps. These are all perforated, rose themed it looks like. And this says it's a cling stamp. Let's take a look at that. I'm kind of trying to save the envelope because I might actually use that in a future project. So bear with me while I try to get this open gently here. There we go. Looks like a pineapple and a bird, toucan. Here's another cling stamp. Let's see what this one is. Got a leaf and a flamingo. Not sure what this is. Let's open this up. Looks like a lot of different paper strips. I'm not sure if these are sticky. They kind of feel like they might be adhesive back. So once I get into that, I can let you guys know. Some die cuts here. And paper ephemera, 24 sheets, 6 sticker paper, 6 vellum paper, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern paper. So let's take a look inside here. So lots of different vellum, and then in the back here is a sticker paper. Okay, so stay tuned to my channel and be watching for an upcoming video where I reveal what I make with these items. And I might do a tutorial video. I'm not sure how that's going to work out, or if I'm just going to use it in a project and then show you the finished project. So either way, I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. Thank you to Your Creative Studio for sending me these items. and I look forward to sharing with you the finished product once I get done. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day.